Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locking a clear theme and immediate goal. This shapes every snap you capture. Open Snapchat, set camera quality and lighting, and frame your first hook shot. Once done, record a short, punchy opener that establishes why viewers should keep watching. Make sure to plan 3 to 6 snaps total so pacing stays tight. You're doing this to grab attention fast, so keep the first 3 seconds visually or emotionally compelling, and move to the next shot without hesitation. Once you have your opener, focus on variety and clarity in the middle. Switch between close-ups, wide shots, and quick cutaways to maintain visual interest. This prevents scrolling fatigue. Make sure to add concise captions, stickers, or timestamps to explain details without audio. As you record, aim for 3 to 7 seconds per snap so viewers can absorb each point but still feel momentum. If you're explaining something, break it into short steps and use arrows or highlights to direct attention. To finish, create a satisfying conclusion that tells viewers what to do next, message you, swipe up, or follow. Then preview the full story, trim any dead time, and balance captions so nothing is missed with sound off. Once polished, publish and monitor early reactions to iterate. If something goes wrong, clear Snapchat's cache, confirm you're on the latest version, and re-upload any failed snaps. This fixes most upload or rendering glitches quickly and gets your story live.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.